some election-related news right now. Punjab Chief Minister Charanjit Singh Channi has now written to the Election Commission urging it to postpone the February 14th Assembly polls by 6 days in view of Guru Ravidas Jayanti. So that's the latest that we are learning. Punjab Chief Minister calling for postponement of Punjab polls in wake of Ravidas Jayanti. He's called for the postponement by 6 days. Remember, voting for Punjab's 117 assembly seats will be held on February 14th. It's slated to be held, in fact, for February 14th, and the counting of votes will take place on 10th of March. Going straight across to Amandeep for more on this. Amandeep, good morning to you. So that's the latest that we are learning right now. Punjab Chief Minister calling for postponement of the polls. What is your reading of this letter that, in fact, this call for postponement that has been sought by the Punjab Chief Minister?
Well, Punjab Chief Minister Charanjit Singh Channi has written a letter to Election Commission of India for postponing the elections for at least 4 days, just because 32% of the population from the state are actually involved into celebrating the birth anniversary of Shri Guru Ravidas Ji that falls on 16th of February. And on that occasion, a large number of SC devotees, that is around 20 lakhs, were likely to visit Banaras in Uttar Pradesh from 10th of February to 16th of February. And in such, as a large number of people will not be in Punjab, and in fact they are existing voters with interest to that, so that at least that 20 lakh votes should be polled, at least that for the interest of those people, Chief Minister Charanjit Singh Channi written to Election Commission of India to postpone the election date, and in fact at least for 4 days. It should be, according to his letter, it should be on 16th of February, so that the people who are supposed to visit to Banaras in Uttar Pradesh for that celebration of the occasion, they should come back and at least cast their vote and contribute for making the government in Punjab. So that is the reason. And just because the political scenario behind this, just because Channi himself is a Dalit leader, so that is the reason he was advocating this demand, writing to the Election Commission of India. And even Channi knows his USP and his convicted vote bank is from Dalit. That is the reason he was trying to just push the elections in the interest of the Dalits as well. Yes.
Well, Amandeep, as far as the administration is concerned, what more are you picking up in terms of how exactly are they planning to take this forward? And has there been any sort of response coming in from the Chief Election Commission's office at this stage?
Well, Shravan, Election Commission has not responded so far regarding this letter, just because it was a letter written from Chief Minister, and in fact with the interest that at least the SC vote bank that is very much involved into the celebrating the birth anniversary of Shri Guru Ravidas Ji, and everyone supposed to visit to Banaras in Uttar Pradesh. And in fact, he was just providing the information to Election Commission that if election happened on 14th of February, these are the voters, around 20 lakh voters from SC community. They might be missing from Punjab, and their vote will not get casted just because all of them have to travel to Banaras in Uttar Pradesh for the celebrations. So that is the reason. And in fact, Channi himself is a Dalit leader, and that is the reason he is trying to advocate this demand of the Dalit, so that the celebration should be in a very smooth manner. And in fact, meanwhile, the voting exercise should involve all this SC community. But we need to understand, Shravan, behind this, that if this vote bank will be reduced from Punjab, that will be direct loss to Congress party. Just because since Charanjit Singh Channi appointed as the Chief Minister of Punjab, he completely focused on the Dalit vote. That is the reason. Earlier he was pitched from the 2 constituencies, but later the idea was dropped. And even Channi is the one who was countering the BSP, another party that dominates the Dalit vote bank in the Doaba. And in fact, now Channi is the one who are actually overpowering that entire Dalit vote from BSP, from Aam Aadmi Party, and from all the parties. That is the reason. Channi wanted to encash all these votes, just because now he is very much aware that these votes are going in the fold of the Congress. That is the reason. He was trying to hold back the voters, and in fact that is the reason, just because celebration cannot be dragged, but election date can be dragged.
Well, thank you very much, Amandeep, for getting us the latest. Trust you to keep us ahead of the story. We'll keep a close watch, given the fact that whether at all there is going to be any sort of response from the Election Commission at this stage.